bring me flowers. You don't sing me love songs.
You hardly talk to me anymore when I come through the door at the end of the day.
I remember when you couldn't wait to love me, used to hate to leave me. Now after loving me late at night,
Well, it's good for you, babe, when you're feeling alright.
why you just roll over and turn out the light, and you don't bring me flowers anymore.
Used to be so natural,
Used to be.
talk about forever. Used to be's don't count anymore, they just lay on the floor till we sweep them away.
And baby, I remember all the things you taught me.
Well, I learned how to laugh, and I learned how to cry.
Well, I learned how to laugh and I learned how to lie.
So you think I could learn
So you think
to
I
tell you
could learn how to tell you goodbye, and you don't bring me flowers anymore.
Well, you think I could learn how to tell you goodbye. You don't say you need me,
And you don't sing me love songs.
you don't bring me flowers
anymore.
Dames en heren, Angelique Vermeulen.